First at 6, the Richland School District is proposing major staffing changes that have community members raising concerns. The district says the plan will help solve a looming budget shortfall.
But some fear it could come at the expense of students' health and learning. Apple Valley News Now's Dan Hansen reports.
The Richland School District is moving forward with a controversial cost-cutting plan that would eliminate several school nurse and library positions in the 2025-26 school year. The district says it will reorganize its health services and secondary library operations using remaining staff, a move projected to save about $1.2 million.
It's really hard because in nursing, they always cut us back to a skeleton staff. That's what happens in healthcare, and it's really unfortunate. It's to the detriment of our students. It's to the detriment of our patients.
The cuts sparked emotional testimony at last week's school board meeting, where parents, staff, and community members pleaded with administrators to reconsider.
People who are not in the healthcare system and trained and educated in healthcare do not understand how we navigate that system.
Advocates say nurses provide far more than just bandages and ice packs. They monitor chronic conditions, assess symptoms, offer health education, and help keep students in the classroom and ready to learn. REA President Krista Calvin read from a letter written by a local librarian.
During National Library Week, I was just dismissed. I have thrown everything I have into being the most highly qualified, skilled, and competent librarian. I have worked for over a decade as library department head to help better and strengthen all our libraries and programs at their schools.
The district plans to reduce its full-time nursing staff from 16 to 10, while elementary library services will remain in place. Secondary school librarians, serving 4 middle schools and 2 high schools, would be replaced by a single district-level certified librarian. District leaders acknowledge the impact of the decision.
We know this is hard on everybody. We don't have money. The bottom line is that the school district, if we don't make cuts, we'll end up in binding conditions.
Waters says the district is trying to bring spending in line with the available funding, and the changes are necessary to ensure long-term stability. Still, for many in the community, the trade-offs feel personal and painful. Dan Hansen, Apple Valley News Now.